Delegation of businessmen is in Goa to explore mutual business opportunity. In a program organized by Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industries, Ambassador of Portugal in India said that Portuguese businessmen are keen to invest in agro sector in Goa. Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industries on Thursday organized a program to provide a common platform to meet Goan and Portuguese businessmen together and to discuss and explore new business opportunities. In this program, Ambassador of Portugal in India, Jorge Rosa de Oliveira, said that Portuguese businessmen are focusing on Goa's agro sector businesses.
Well, there are many businesses coming, but I would say that the big bulk of business coming is in the agro and wine business. So we come with food products, and we come with wines and olive oils, which there are a few in Goa, but we certainly want to augment the presence of our products here.
Deputy Chief Minister of Goa, Francis D'Souza, said Goa government welcomes and supports environment-friendly businesses.
Goa is small, but it is a window of opportunity for the rest of India. That has to be understood also. If you come to Goa, you come to India. Goa is not isolated. Goa gives you an opening into the rest of India.
GCCI President Mangirish Pairaikar spoke on the investment opportunities are in Goa, especially in the tourism, health tourism and agro sector. Our reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent. On the eve of Women's Day, President of Goa Pradesh Youth Congress Pratima Coutinho has welcomed the decision of government to allot 12 seats for women in buses. She said that decision should be thoroughly implemented by putting tags reserved for women in buses. Pratima has also appealed women to come out and report atrocities to the authorities.
वो मुद्दो आमी गोवा प्रदेश यूथ काँग्रेसान लास्ट वीक घेतिल्लो आनी आमी क्लियरली सांगिल्लें आनी गव्हर्मेंटाक कडल्यान मागिल्लें की ताणे वी हॅड डिमांडेड की बायलांकनी रिजर्वेशन जे आसा सहज सीट्स आसा ते सारखे मेळनात ताजेर मातसो विचार करचो आनी ते वाडोवचे म्हणून आनी बायल्यो बसनाका थंय कोणे वचून बसपाचें न्ही नोबडी हॅज अ रायट बिकॉज इट इज रिजर्व फॉर वुमन खंयचे दुसरे स्टॉपार बायल येवपाक शकता.
Youth Congress has asked the government to route special buses for women.
क्रायम इतली वाडिल्ली आसा म्हणून फॉर द सेफ्टी एंड सेक्युरिटी ऑफ अ वुमन गव्हर्मेंटान समज आनी एक स्पेशल बसीस दवरल्यो एंड एवरी रूट हें बरें जातलें सो हेय आमचो मुद्दो मातसो दवरचो.
Youth Congress has appealed to come out and report atrocities to the authorities.
You all should openly speak out and complain to the authorities so that a strong message goes that nobody can interfere or sit where you all have the right to legally sit on.
Dinesh Karpe for Prudent. Garbage menace is spreading across Vasco town, turning unhealthy and ugly. People have now started dumping garbage at the electricity transformer in Vasco. Councillors of Mormuga municipality says this is due to negligence of locals and municipality is not to be blamed. Municipality has placed dustbins at every corner in the city, but the locals throw away and dump the garbage in open spaces.
आम्ही गार्बेजा बद्दल प्लास्टिका बद्दल जाय ते लोकांक समजयले पण लोक समजपाक कशे रेडी ना. आता ही परिस्थिती पळयला तुम्ही हांगासर ट्रान्सफॉर्मर एक डस्टबिनान उडयता तर बरा ह्या वाड्यार डोर टू डोर गार्बेज कलेक्शन सुरू केलां आमी तेन्ना ट्रान्सफॉर्मरा फुड्यान उडयला आनी कोणें एकट्यान समज सिगरेट उडयले जाल्यार पेटोवन सगळे हांगासर उजो लागोंक शकता. लोकांचें कितें आपलें घर बरें उरल्यार पळो गांव पेटल्या कोताक येता आपले बायल भुरगीं बरी उरपाची दुसऱ्यांचें कितेंय जावं हे पयलें कोण उडयता ताका लज दिसपाक जाय हांगासर हेका लोकूच जबाबदार म्युनिसिपालिटीक ब्लेम करपाक मातसो चान्स पडलो जाल्यार सोडिना ते.
In fact, this matter we already informed the municipality, but so far no action is taken by the municipality. It is a very dangerous things. My advice to them is that they are supposed to keep the dustbins away from the transformer center, and again all this garbage should be dumped on the dustbins, not near the transformer center. And it is by putting that they are endangering our transformer center plus.
अशा कचऱ्यांक अचकीत उजोय पेट्टा उजोय लायता आनी जी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटाची मालमत्ता आसा ते केबल्स आसा ते जळोन खाक जाता एकदा. लोक समजूतदारपणान आपलो कचरो सारको जाग्यार उडयतले काय कितें. वास्कोच्यान प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर सुरेंद्र मडकईकर.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent-Goa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.